We are pleased to show you 2021 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.